Welcome to first class. Quick, take a seat, take a seat. This is first class. Oh my god, it's quick. Take a seat, take a seat. Have you ever seen anything quite like it? This is first class, so please help yourself to an after, right? She's moving. What's happening? You're alive. Oh my gosh.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. Who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them?
Legs.
You call them feet. Lifting your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's the word again?
Street.
Correct. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, they're sick of swimming, and they're ready to stand, and ready to know what the big asking my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it? What's the word? When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore of out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that world.
Doctor! You gotta save her! So sorry. It's too beautiful for this world. Can I have a photo with Ariel? Is that allowed?
Get on the course.
I sent you a band. Get out.